Morning YouTube, happy Sunday. Just got everything loaded in the Civic, about to head over to Independence, Missouri for our third autocross event of the season. Thunderstorms and rain this morning. I think it's supposed to clear up here in a little bit. It's just sprinkling now, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I worked first heat, run second, studied some of the footage from last event, and yeah, there's definitely some stuff I can improve on. Just little things that, you know, add up that you don't notice when you're doing it unless you watch back on it. Just how I'm going through the slaloms, how I'm using the body roll to my advantage since I have quite a bit in the stock Civic. But you know, we're gonna make it work and we're gonna have a good time doing it. So I'm gonna head up there right now and meet Blaine and all of our friends and have a great day. We'll see you there. Hey guys, kind of dropped the ball. Missed recording my first run, but I got I think a 60.2. I think it was clean. But yeah, we'll get back out there. I'll record the second one. I'll put you guys in the mount this time and record that. All right guys, just finished up my second run, 60 flat. I think that was 2/10 faster than my first that I didn't record. Felt a little bit better. That hairpin's really tight. I need to ask Blaine how my hands are supposed to work on that. That was just spur of the moment reaction, how I got through there, but it worked. All right guys, just ran my second run. I think it was a 60 flat clean. Definitely got some learning to do out there, but I'm gonna ask Blaine a couple pointers, show him some footage, and yeah, we'll get out there on the third one. Thanks, sir. That freaking corner right there.
Sits up on everyone.
Yep. Look at the rest of it. Oh man. Hey guys, just got done with my third run. Not great, as you seen in the footage. Went off in that hairpin. I just totally spaced on it, and then the rest of it was obviously just practicing a little bit. Nothing crazy, but yeah, it was bad. Just spaced on that run. Had a passenger with me, so yeah, we'll get him on the fourth and see if we can do better. Try to break that 60 mark. Hopefully get below, get a 59 something at least. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I think Blaine's doing pretty good. He's been working on his damper, and since we put that stock sway bar back in, we're trying to get his car dialed in. But I think he says the transmission's feeling good, so we'll see how it goes the rest of the day.
Hit it.
Hey guys, just did my 4th run. Fastest one overall for the day. It was a 59.3 clean, I believe it was. But yeah, way better than going off on the 3rd run. So I, just focused on it, setting the car for a little bit before the run, just thought about it, and just did the best I could. Hey guys, just finished up autocross, 3rd event of the season. Overall, it was a good event. I did pretty well. I think I improved myself. I even pushed a little too hard on one of the runs going off. But if you don't push yourself hard enough and hit cones and go off the course sometimes, you don't really better yourself. You kind of stay stagnant, it seems like. So, I'm comfortable with that. That's why we do it out here where it's safe. There's just grass. I went off, pavement into the grass. But yeah, overall, I improved throughout the day. My first run was a 60.7. My second was a 60.0. And my 3rd event, I went off. I didn't finish, so technically a DNF. My 4th and final was a 59.3. And I was really happy coming from going off to going to that time. Overall, that makes me feel good about just getting better over time. Blaine and I sat down with my footage from last time and, worked on a few things, trying to be smoother with the wheel, hand placement on the wheel, not letting go of the wheel, and kind of working on going through the slaloms and things like that. Just little things that add up to tenths, especially in autocross, because you don't have a lot of time out here to make up a lot of time. Like, tenths matter out here. I mean, they matter everywhere, but autocross, it really matters when the course is only a minute long. A tenth, a second, they add up. So overall, I'm very happy with how I did today. Blaine's Miata was back today. He hasn't been in it in a while, so we're trying to figure it out. Getting used to it again, and trying to just get her dialed in. Because whenever you do something big, even a transmission and things like that, they feel a little bit different maybe, or, it could change things. Even if it is the same thing, everything you do to a vehicle can change it. So, overall, it was a good day for him, I believe. We all want to go faster at the end of the day, of course. And then after he ran the Miata today, he ran our friend Jared's Camaro. And that, I took one ride around in it, and it's a rocket. It's a lot of power, a lot of tire. It's a big car, but man, he wheeled it good, and it was a fun ride, and I'm definitely glad I got that opportunity. It's a bigger car, so the odds of hitting cones is a little bit higher. So they were both kind of fighting with just cones, kind of sneaking out and hitting them. So, but overall, they taught each other a lot of things, I think, and it's always good to help one another and, ride with them, see what they can, do better, what I can do better, or what they can do better. It's always fun to get out here, and everybody's here to help everybody. You need something, here you go. You need a tire pressure gauge, whatever you need. It's always a good time out here at autocross, wherever you're at. So the GTR, my R32, is slated, hopefully, to go to the body shop the end of next month, if not in August, I hope. I don't know. It all just depends, but that's tentative plans is to get it hopefully to the body shop sometime soon, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.